Aslam-o-Alaikum friends, my name is Mohammad Asgharr from Pakistan। आज मैं आपके साथ ऐसी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी शेयर करने जा रहा हूं जो आपको लाइफ टाइम तक लर्निंग और अर्निंग करने का मौका देती है और आने वाले समय में दुनिया भर में काफी फेमस होने वाली है। दोस्तों, आप में से कोई लोग क्रिप्टो फॉरेक्स और स्टॉक ट्रेडिंग में इन्वेस्ट कर रखते हैं और कुछ लोग ट्रेडिंग भी करते होंगे जहां पर नुकसान और नुकसान फायदा दोनों होता है। और जो कोई बंदे जो है ट्रेडिंग करके सीखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन ट्रेडिंग सीखने के लिए एक बड़ी फीस देनी पड़ती है जो हर कोई अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता। तो आज की अपॉर्चुनिटी उन सभी भाइयों के लिए है जो ट्रेडिंग सीखना चाहते हैं और ट्रेडिंग करके अच्छी अर्निंग करना चाहते हैं। तो मैं ये वीडियो आपके लिए प्ले कर रहा हूँ। इस वीडियो को देखिए और नए अपडेट के लिए चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए।
Hey guys, welcome to the world of financial opportunities and education with Kroma, your gateway to the future of crypto, forex, and stock trading. I am here to introduce you to a lifelong earning opportunity where you can grow your wealth while retaining full control of your funds. How can you access Kroma services? Download the Kroma app from the Play Store or App Store to maximize your benefits. After registering, purchase any of our subscription. Our basic subscription Connect and Exchange is for only $30. In this subscription, you will get education about following: cryptocurrency, forex trading, stock market, cryptocurrency exchanges, decentralized exchanges, crypto trading strategies. We have another pro subscription for $100, Connect and Exchange, Connect MT4 or MT5, in which you will get following: mirror trading, future trading signals, forex trading strategies, get 10 forex indicators, stock market strategies, IDO, ICO, IEO, IPO, and for our premium subscription of $500, Connect and Exchange, Connect MT4 or MT5. Mirror trading, in which you will get following: future trading signals, forex trading education, algo trading bot setup, stock market portfolio management service. And for our monthly subscription of $10 per month, use Kroma AI tools. You will learn following: Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Chatbot Development, Ethics in AI, AI in Business, AI Research and Development, AI and ChatGPT applications, AI and ChatGPT future trends, Machine Learning Fundamentals. To use crypto trading services, connect and exchange via API. To use forex trading services, connect MT4 or MT5. The top brokers are IC Markets, OctFX, and XNES. In addition to this, you will receive benefits from engaging in affiliate marketing. There are 6 types of earning opportunities. 1. Progressive commission. 2. Acceleration bonus. 3. Matching bonus. 4. Renewal earning. 5. Matrix direct commission. 6. Matrix level commission. Your initial income comes from progressive commissions. When you purchase a subscription, you start at rank K1 and become eligible for a 15% direct commission. Once you have 3 direct K1 members, your rank will advance to K2 and you'll earn a 25% direct commission. To achieve K3 rank, you need 3 K2 direct members and a total team of 30 members. At this point, you'll receive a 35% direct commission. When you have 3 direct K3 members, a total team of 120 members, and a pro subscription, you will reach K4 and become eligible for a 45% direct commission. This means that as your rank increases, your commission also increases, with the potential to reach a maximum of 65% direct commission. Let's delve into how the progressive commission works. Suppose you hold a K6 rank, and one of your frontline members is at K1 rank. When that K1 member refers someone who purchases a subscription, K1 receives a 15% direct commission, while you, at K6, receive a 50% gap commission. Now, if you have a K2 member on your front line who refers someone, the K2 member will earn a 25% commission, and you will receive a 40% gap commission. This commission structure extends through an infinite number of levels. 2. Acceleration bonus. Refer 5 direct members within the first week of joining, all with the same package as yours, and you will receive a refund of your subscription amount. 3. Matching bonus. Once your direct team member achieves a rank, you will begin to receive income based on whatever they earn. If your direct team member's rank is higher, you will receive a higher commission. For instance, if you are at rank K6 and your direct team members have ranks K6, K5, K4, K3, and K2, in this scenario, you will receive 10% commission from K2, 12% commission from K3, 15% commission from K4, 20% commission from K5, and 25% commission from K6. How the matching bonus works. Suppose you are at the K6 rank, and your frontline team consists of members at the K2 rank. If a K2 member earns $500, you will receive a 10% commission, which is $50. If a K3 member earns $1,000, you will earn a 12% commission, which is $120. This is how the matching bonus works. 4. Renewal earning. In Kroma, if you build a team even once, you'll experience recurring earnings. This is because here, whenever you or your team fully profits on the trading account, renewal becomes necessary. Thus, every time your team renews, you'll receive all these incomes once again. 5. Matrix Direct Commission. When your direct team members pay a monthly subscription fee, you will receive a 10% commission on the subscription amount. 6. Matrix Level Commission. If you don't have a team, a matrix plan can help you generate a substantial income. Here's how the Kroma 2x14 matrix plan works. In a 2x14 matrix, your first level has 2 members, the second level has 4, the third has 8, and this continues to double with each level. Your 14th level will have 16,384 team members. You'll receive spillover from your 14 upline members in these 14 levels, meaning you can earn income without personally referring anyone. If you're effective at building a team, your matrix can fill rapidly. Once your team is established in the matrix, your monthly income becomes fixed for a lifetime because you earn 50 cents from each monthly subscription your downline makes, potentially resulting in $16,383 in earnings from the Kroma Matrix plan. Monthly subscription. When you pay for a monthly subscription, you will be eligible to receive matrix commissions for 1 month. After this period, you will need to subscribe again if you wish to continue earning from matrix levels. Terms and conditions. Minimum withdrawal. $25 is the minimum amount for withdrawals. Deduction alert. A 10% deduction will be applied to each withdrawal. Peer-to-peer transactions. Enjoy the convenience of P2P transactions. Minimum P2P amount. The minimum P2P transaction amount is $5. A 5% deduction will be applied to each transfer. Fast Track bonuses. Grab Fast Track bonuses during our pre-launch phase. Matching bonus. Matching bonus closes every 7 days. Matrix level commissions are paid on the first day of every month. Thank you.